I am like straight no. If I want to say no, I am like no. उसके बाद वो मेरा क्या उखाड़ लेगा? It's my life, my decisions. I am very much well educated and aware of my rights. इतनी over acting की जरूरत नहीं होती just to be on social media. Talk normally also and get famous. It's okay. Confidence, my friends. Confidence is the key. Be yourself. Don't try to copy someone else. If you are copying ना, मजा नहीं आएगा. मैं जो हूँ मैं हूँ एकदम टॉप नॉच ऊपर से नीचे तक मॉडर्न. बट when you talk to her, you know, you realize कि यार this is the girl, this is the positivity. Because ये मुझे कभी और किसी में दिखी ही नहीं है. Honestly, I think those are the people who should start traveling. उनके लिए they are gonna just be fine. Because you know, you don't need any therapist, you don't need any medicines. But sometimes ना क्या होता है कि आपका मन करता है let's do that mistake ताकि वो आपका एक एक्सपीरियंस हो.
तो जो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स बहुत ज्यादा अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ दिखाते हैं, you're okay with it?
यार I am okay because it's their decision. वो अपनी लाइफ का डिसीजन अच्छे से ले सकते हैं. So who am I to judge them? And here the community, the influencer community is so welcoming. Till then, I'll not say कि I don't like my body, I hate. I'll never say that. हर रात को I kiss myself here like ऐसे you're doing really well. I do talk to myself every night, every day कि you're gonna be back and then फिर वो जो comeback आता है कृतिका का, that is very different.
Hi, this is Amanpreet Wahi and I welcome you to yet another exciting episode of our podcast on Edge Talks. And today we have a very special guest. She's not only a model but an influencer as well. She's still modeling. She has been modeling and her name is Kritika Bhasin. Welcome to our show, Kritika.
Hi.
You look absolutely lovely.
So do you.
Thank you. So tell our audiences how you started your career. What was your inspiration? Did you ever think you're gonna be a model or it just happened by coincidence?
Not at all a coincidence. I always wanted to be in highlight. I mean, I wanted to be someone जो कि अपने काम से पहचाना जाए इंसान. Hard work was the thing that was actually told to me by my mom dad कि अगर आपने बेटा ये कर लिया तो आप लाइफ में कहीं भी जा सकते हो. So till now मैं वही चीज़ फॉलो कर रही हूँ. Hard work and there's only one thing that I know. I don't have to stop. And yes.
Wow. So was there any particular moment or event that made you realize that, okay, modeling can be a career for me? Because when I started, it was just a hobby. I never wanted to become a model. It just happened by coincidence. But now people really aspire to become a model. So what was that changing point in your life?
Okay, so I'll take you back to my school days. I was an ugly looking girl, honestly telling you.
ugly
Very
duckling.
low in confidence. Because I used to not look according to
The
जैसे एक
conventional,
इमेज बनाया हुआ है कि एक
yeah.
लड़की को दिखना चाहिए बहुत ही सुंदर, हमेशा से प्यारी सी. नहीं, हर कोई ऐसा नहीं होता. उस टाइम पे मुझे नहीं पता था. I used to feel so shy because I used to not look like a image of a प्यारी सी girl.
Yeah.
Then eventually एक twist आता है. So that twist came when I was in 12th class. Farewell party, you know, sari.
Yeah.
And then suddenly I realized who I am. I mean, there's only one thing that I am sitting here because of my confidence. And I really appreciate myself for that because मैंने अपने आप को हमेशा से day one, उस दिन मुझे realize हुआ 12th में when I was looking, people were actually looking ऐसे करके जो कि कभी नहीं हुआ था मेरे साथ. And I was like कि नहीं यार, confidence is everything. अभी तक तो ऊपर भी आई है तो कैसे सब कुछ कॉन्फिडेंस. सो दैट इज द टर्निंग पॉइंट. उस दिन से मैंने कभी पीछे देखा ही नहीं मुड़ के.
I think that is a very correct description कि confidence के बिना आप कहीं भी नहीं पहुंच सकते. Whether you want to become a doctor, MBA, modeling, real estate, I think you need to have faith in yourself. Very, very important. So what were some of the biggest challenges you faced when starting in the industry and how did you overcome?
See, modeling, if I talk about, I am the first child of my house जो कि एक मॉडल बनने के लिए आगे इस इंडस्ट्री में जा रहा है. My parents are the simplest people on this planet. Honestly, my mom is the simplest woman. My father is नहीं बेटा आराम से सब कुछ आराम से हो जाएगा. Why do you have to run for money? He's like comfort over money. He don't wanna, you know, run for money. उनको पसंद नहीं है. He's like मैं comfort choose करूँगा, मैं अपनी happiness choose करूँगा, but मैं लोगों के पीछे इधर उधर कहीं नहीं भाग. I cannot do that because people are very dirty. So he believes in, you know, happiness, family over people. I was like, I understand. उस time पे obviously I used to listen to him. मतलब the greatest thing I would say is I was a very obedient kid. I used to always listen to what my parents are saying. मैं आगे से कुछ बोलती नहीं थी. But I used to very quietly listen and observe. सारा सोख कर लेती थी. So that was the biggest thing that helped me. जितने भी मेरे पास challenges आए उनको overcome करने में. Because obviously people are not good.
Of course.
Honestly.
And initially they don't make it easy for you.
सबको सिर्फ अपनी पड़ी है. मैं आपको honestly बताऊँ. But ठीक है, you know, एक there's a balance.
तो
If you
शुरुआत में
create
इस
a
करियर में
balance.
क्या challenges आपको देखने को मिले?
Obviously, I didn't know anyone, so I had to start from scratch. तो scratch में I was like, I used to notice कि कैसी चीजें हो
And
रही
there's so
है.
many frauds happening out there. It's just so sad.
I don't know. मतलब I was someone जो कि इन सब चीजों में कभी फंसा नहीं. मतलब touchwood and by God's grace, I was an intelligent one. बिकॉज मैंने वो सब अपने पेरेंट्स से जो बोला उन सबको अब्जॉर्ब अपने अंदर ऐसे करके रखा हुआ था कि कुछ भी चैलेंज आता था. सो आई वाज लाइक कि अच्छा ये मुझे बेवकूफ बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. अंदर से आई नो अंदर से माई फेस वॉज लाइक समथिंग लाइक दिस. बट ऊपर से मैं शो करती थी कि अच्छा हाँ मैं आपको बहुत अच्छे से सुन रही हूँ. बट अंदर से आई न्यू कि ये मुझे पागल बना रहा है. अभी मैं बहुत अच्छे से बात करूंगी एंड देन आगे मुझे पता है मुझे इसे नो बोलना है या क्या करना है. कास्टिंग काउच वो स्टार्टिंग से ही आने लगा. आई स्टार्टेड एट द एज ऑफ 18 and a girl at 18 is being offered, I mean, sex, really.
Yeah.
It was like shattering for me, but then I was like कि नहीं ठीक है मेरे माँ बाप
And
मेरे साथ
sometimes you
है.
don't even know how to get out of these situations. जब ऐसी situations में लोग आपके straight forward मुंह पे पूछ लेते हैं like I've been in that situation. How do you handle that?
I mean, it's very easy for me. I am like straight no. If I want to say no, I am like no. उसके बाद वो मेरा क्या उखाड़ लेगा. It's my life, my decisions. I am very much well educated and aware of my rights. So I am.
तो बुरा लगता है like I've lost a lot in projects and movies.
बिल्कुल
when
भी
you
नहीं.
say no. तो ऐसा बुरा लगता है when you lose your opportunities because merit पे नहीं मिलनी थी किसी और चीज के बदले मिलनी थी.
नहीं वही मुझे लगता है मेरे अंदर एक पॉजिटिव पॉइंट है. मुझे बुरा नहीं लगता बिकॉज उस चीज को मैं करके ऊपर नहीं बढ़ना चाहती. मैं अपनी मेहनत से मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब तक वो मेहनत एक सीढ़ी होती है. मेरे पेरेंट्स हैव टॉट मी टू क्लाइंब दैट सीढ़ी आराम से सीधा सीधा. बट जब कोई ऊपर से हाथ दे रहा है ना आप ऊपर तो पहुंच जाओगे. बट उन लोगों के अराउंड आपको ना ऐसे लगेगा मैं कहाँ आ गई बिकॉज आपने वो मेहनत तो करी नहीं ना. दैट मेहनत इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी सराउंडेड विद दोज पीपल with confidence.
Absolutely.
So I believe
and who are
in
genuine
climbing.
and who are positive.
Yeah, so I believe in climbing that ladder by myself.
Very, very nice. So आपने music videos भी की हैं, we understand. And 2019 you shot a music video. So tell us your experience about that.
It was wonderful. I mean, I liked it, but I felt like music video is not my cup of tea.
Okay.
After doing that, I mean, I was like always, you know, I wanted to do something for myself. I mean, modeling also मैंने थोड़ा कम कर दिया because, you know, influencing took me somewhere else.
So how was that journey from modeling to content creator?
So I used to, you know, look at influencers and I used to see कि मुझे इसके जैसा नहीं बनना. What is this? ऐसे होते हैं influencers. So that is why I chose this career दिखाने के लिए कि नहीं यार सारे influencers इतने cringe नहीं होते. They are nice people. You got to, you know, interact with them personally. When you meet a person, they are different. When you see them online, they are obviously different. So I believe in interacting on one-on-one basis and then judging the person. क्योंकि लोगों का तो काम ही है ये ना कुछ भी है ना. So that is the thing that I prefer.
So there's so many influencers with different styles of content. कोई आजकल like if I follow Kusha Kapila and you know I really enjoyed her content and I used to follow her for her comedy.
Yeah.
Because I've been a model all my life. I'm not interested in seeing clothes and that's been my life all over. I used to enjoy the comedy and the humor. And now if I see her content, it's totally shifted from comedy humor to modeling. Suddenly she's lost weight and she's totally modeling for designers, which is fine. That's her life. But that's not what I'm relating to. So आपका personal style क्या है and how is it different from other content creators?
So see, basically I want to show people that a middle class girl has grown herself individually and she's doing beautiful in her life. You can touch the sky on your own. आप अपने आप ये सब चीजें कर सकते हो. So I am, you know, showcasing style, lifestyle, how I am maintaining myself from scratch. So that is my journey all about.
Fantastic. And as we know that you started your journey in 2016. So how has it been building a strong community of followers as a key for a content creator? And how have you managed to connect with and grow your audience over time? Because आजकल audience बहुत जल्दी बोर हो जाते हैं. Suddenly you see 1000 spike आ गई, आपके increase हो गए. Suddenly you see 200 drop भी हो गए. So audience is everywhere, haywire. So how do you handle that?
See, basically, I'll tell you, I started influencing recently. I haven't started बहुत पहले से.
Okay.
So I'm trying to gain that community. इसीलिए I think I am on this podcast so that people are gonna know me well. Because obviously I don't post about my personal life so much over Instagram कि this is happening, this is happening. No. I'm like, these podcasts are a really good thing to actually know a person.
Yeah.
How they speak, how they actually are, inside, outside. That is why I chose this podcast, because this podcast is all about, your personal growth, your personal journey. And you are about to disclose all those things in a comfortable atmosphere. So that is how I want people to know me. Not through my just Instagram photos and everything. Podcasts these days are a very good.
So as a fashion influencer, what were the challenges you experienced initially?
बहुत सारे. See, I have space का challenge. I have, मतलब we have really renovated our पूरा घर because of my work.
Okay.
I've renovated my drawing room. I've converted that into a studio sort of.
Oh, nice.
And still we
With
are
lights
facing,
and everything, tripod
actually,
happening. Yeah.
I mean, from scratch, bought everything with the help of my photographer. Obviously, he's guiding me and I am guiding him that you should have a vision. So I am following that vision board that I have on my mind. And yes, I'm making that come true in real life.
So you're really enjoying your work. So as an influencer, you're shaping trends. People are following us and influencing what people wear. Oh, she was wearing that, let's try that. So do you feel any sense of responsibility in this role? If yes, how do you handle it?
Of course, I feel like there's a sense of responsibility because, see, मैं एक उस इंसान की तरह पहचानी जाना चाहती हूँ कि who is, एकदम modern, but she knows उसके संस्कार. So this is what I want to portray. एकदम top notch ऊपर से नीचे तक modern. But when you talk to her, you realize कि यार, this is the girl, this is the positivity. Because ये मुझे कभी और किसी में दिखी ही नहीं है. Honestly, when I talk to them, they are like, मुझे almost सारे South Delhi accent देते हैं. I mean, कोई normal क्यों नहीं है आज? मतलब आजकल I don't feel like.
What is a South Delhi accent? I live in South Delhi.
I mean, I don't know. I am like कि मैं किससे मिलती हूँ तो they are like कि यार अच्छा आप ऐसे हो, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था, आप इतने आराम से बात करते हो. और मैं ऐसे होती हूँ कि यार आप इतना शौक क्यों हो रहे हो. आई थिंक हमारे माँ बाप ने हमें यही सिखाया है कि ऐसी नॉर्मली, बट बाहर जाके लोग पता नहीं क्यों अलग बन जाते हैं. सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, बट आई वांट टू मेंटेन माय रूट्स. I want to stay connected to my roots and I want to be just the way I am.
I know.
मुझे change नहीं होना.
People who have no claim to fame also, उनकी अगर एक फोटो भी आ जाए इंस्टा पे and they get a few likes और पेपर में आ जाए तो oh my god, suddenly I'm a model. सब मॉडल हैं आजकल according to me. So how do you handle the fame? You've been in the papers as well. So how is that feeling to be on page 3?
It's a good feeling. I mean, अच्छी बात है, आप काम कर रहे हो, आप इधर उधर जा रहे हो तो आप आ रहे हो. And I appreciate it. I am like कि I celebrated with my family. I celebrated with my mom, father. मतलब हम लोग बहुत खुश होते हैं देख के कि ओ वाओ ऐसा हुआ, माई सिस्टर याना के साथ अच्छा ऐसा हुआ. सो हम अपने में ही चारों वी आर वेरी हैप्पी. सो हम अपने चारों में एक दूसरे को I take help of my mom, dad to stay grounded also because I feel like कभी कभी ना it is very important. कभी कभी मतलब you look at other people तो वो आपको मतलब I don't know, I feel the essence of staying grounded. I feel so responsible because मेरे को वो इंसान अपने अंदर जो मेरे अंदर ऑलरेडी है वो चेंज नहीं करना है. Just because of the fame and the work I'm doing, I want to really stay connected with my parents ताकि वो मुझे एकदम से मतलब ऐसे खींच के रखे कि be calm and everything. And I love that about them कि मतलब मेरे को कुछ भी feel होता है, I just go and sit and watch old movies with them like this कि हाँ, this is life. ये नहीं कि you're going out, daily parties. I can't do that. मतलब I feel like that is so fake. You're just being so loud. मतलब people are like मतलब काफी मतलब एक्सप्रेसिव हो जाते हैं.
आजकल तो सारे बोलते हैं पार्टीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, नेटवर्किंग करनी चाहिए, पेज 3 इज इंपॉर्टेंट. मुझे आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस दैट ऑल माय लाइफ. आई हैव पार्टीड अ लॉट तो कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है आजकल पार्टीज करना, पेज 3 में दिखना, टू बी आउट देयर, टू बी सीन? दे से अगर इफ यू आर नॉट देयर देन यू आर फॉरगॉटन, सो यू डोंट बिलीव इन दैट?
आई डोंट थिंक सो. मैं सिर्फ पार्टी तब करती हूँ जब मेरा मन करता है, या फिर जब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एग्जॉस्टेड होती हूँ. आई फील लाइक आई शुड डांस नाउ, और मैं डांस करने ही पार्टी जाती हूँ कि यू नो आई एम द वन हु इज डांसिंग, क्लोजिंग माई आईज एंड एंजॉइंग द म्यूजिक. बिकॉज dancing, it gives me empowerment that, you know, I am, you know, dancing because I love myself, I love my work, I love the hard work that I'm putting. So you should dance, and dance gives me the power. So I love doing that. That is why मैं parties में जाती हूँ. I don't ये नहीं कि आप अपना दिखाने जा रहे हो ये वो. Obviously आपको बहुत लोग मिलते हैं, so you should be nice and, you know, say hi, hello. Obviously वो एक connection बनते रहना चाहिए.
Yeah.
But I don't feel the need of doing parties every other day.
बैलेंस होना चाहिए. I also feel party every other day तो कोई भी नहीं कर सकता, पता नहीं कौन नहीं कर सकता. But I
People
also
are
feel
there,
there should
people
be.
are out
Yeah,
there.
yeah, maybe.
But I think उनका काम भी है, so I respect that as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
But I am not the person. I can't.
Nice. So, you know, आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा पेड प्रमोशंस होती हैं. People are buying followers also. कुछ समझ नहीं आता किसके ऑर्गेनिक हैं, किसके बॉट हैं. लाइक्स भी बाय हो जाते हैं एक पोस्ट में. अगर आपका एक पोस्ट नहीं चल रहा, आप किसी को पैसे दो, वो लाइक्स आ जाएंगे आपको 1500, 2000, 1 लाख. So, how do you maintain your organic followers amidst all this?
यार मेंटेन करना इज नॉट हार्ड. यू जस्ट हैव टू बी योर सेल्फ. और अगर आप जो हो, जितने आ रहे हैं ठीक है. मैंने अपना ऐसे ही मेंटेन करा है. मैंने कुछ फेक नहीं करा, ना मैंने कुछ खरीदा है. आई एम लाइक कि दिस इज हु आई एम. अगर आपको आना है प्लीज ज्वाइन मी, अगर आपको नहीं आना इट्स ओके. So I am like this in real life also. If you wanna join my company, I am fine with that. If you don't wanna, it's okay.
So what do you feel about this trend of buying followers or using bots to increase numbers? Have you ever felt tempted? लगता है कि मुझे भी करना चाहिए?
यार नहीं, tempted मुझे कभी किसी चीज़ से feel ही नहीं होता. I'm like so strong-headed. I don't feel tempted at all.
But लोग कहाँ पहुँच जाते हैं 600k followers and then I realize oh I'm only at 60k and then I also feel sometimes तो buy करके कुछ भी कर लेते हैं and then you know.
But उससे फायदा क्या है? Are they really happy? Look at the deeper side of the reality. You know, are they actually happy from inside? A lot of people, you know, सीरीज क्यों बन रही है, इतनी सारी सीरीज बन रही है.
और आई थिंक इट्स सो सैड कि आजकल हम वैलिडेशन एक दूसरे को उनके फॉलोअर्स के थ्रू देने लगे हैं.
Exactly. I
You know,
feel
everyone's like अच्छा तेरे इतने फॉलोअर्स, she must be so important.
Yeah,
I mean मेरिट
मतलब
कुछ रह ही नहीं गया.
actually the person enters, oh इसके ना उतने followers है. I'm like, what the
Yeah,
hell
it's
is
like a-
happening?
it's like you're in
I
the middle
don't
of a
believe
movie.
in that culture. I believe I'm old school. I think इस चीज
Yeah.
में, and it's not about being old school. I think हर इंसान को ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. What is followers? आप इंसान से बात करो. If you connect, you should, you know, आप वो feel करना चाहिए कि हाँ यार, what a person is he, what a person is she. एक aura होना चाहिए. Everything is not followers, and I think this is very important for the upcoming generation also. Gen Zs also, they should really understand that, you know, talk to a person, communicate, and then make
That's
up
how
your
you
mind,
connect.
not through followers. That is very bad. That is the worst culture that is growing.
So back in 2021 आपने अचीव किए थे 10k followers. So did that inspire you कि अच्छा एक थोड़ा milestone अचीव किया है, now let's work on this a little more seriously?
Yeah, actually, I was like, ki people around me were pushing me, celebrate it, celebrate. I was like, why? They were like, no, it's a, you know, my sister was like hyping it so much. She literally उसने editor को call किया कि आपको एक poster बनाना है जो कि हम promote करेंगे, and she surprised me with that. I was like, wow, people are so happy, and I should also be happy for my, you know, it's a huge thing. And I was like, कि ठीक है चलो करते हैं celebrate. मैंने भी डाला, we cut cake and everything.
How nice.
So,
Of
yeah.
course it should be celebrated.
Yeah.
And how do you typically decide which brands to collaborate with? Is it only money or you consider them before saying yes to a partnership? What factors do you consider?
I am very choosy when it comes to brand, honestly. I am like, a lot of brand comes obviously because a lot of brand pays very good money.
Yes.
But I sometimes have to say no because उसमें बहुत अजीब brands भी होते हैं. Sometimes there are like betting brands and everything. I don't do betting and everything. I am
Because
very...
we influencers and people who are famous, we are being followed by a certain audience and we kind of had that social responsibility also. You know, a lot of people, like a lot of celebrities have now started putting a foot down कि हमें गुटके की ad नहीं करनी क्योंकि वो injurious, really
It is
harmful
injurious
to
to
your
health and they
yeah,
don't
to your
want to
health.
promote
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
So that is my scenario, somehow you can say. I am also very choosy with brands. I want to work with, you know, renowned fashion brands
Yeah.
that should go with my niche. So yeah, I attract brands उसी हिसाब से.
Okay, Kritika, so I understand you are a travel influencer also. That is one of my favorite things. I feel, so many times people ask me, what is life? And I used to ponder, and now, according to me, life is travel. Like, I would love, in my free time, I always want to travel, experience new places, eat good food, drink amazing wine, meet new. That's my zone. Like, I love to work and I love to holiday. So you do that for work, and that is just amazing. So as a creator, you visit so many different places. How do you decide which destinations to feature, and what are the key factors that makes a location stand out for you?
I am, so grateful that this comes under my work.
Yeah.
Because since the day I stepped out for my travel destination thing. I came back home as a whole different person. And that inspires me. Because when you're out, you get to know yourself in a very different
light,
way.
yeah.
Here, I am Delhi based. So here, you're constantly waking up, working, sleeping back. Waking up, listening to your mom, listening to your sister, listening to your dad.
It's a rut.
and
You're like in a vicious circle.
It's a vicious circle,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
But when you go out, you explore a lot of things.
Yeah.
And that makes you a better person.
Yes.
That increases your, mental health ki ek satisfaction. So I feel like traveling is a must for every person. I think Gen Zs should focus on traveling
Yeah.
to know themselves. वो बोलते रहते हैं ना, I want to know myself better. ये Gen Zs का आजकल
Yes.
it's a thing. I want to know myself better. So I think go travel the world. That is
Yeah.
the best thing you can do for yourself.
Yeah, to know
And
yourself better.
Yeah, I love dressing up when I'm traveling. I'm a totally different person when I'm traveling. I feel like, I'm a tourist and everyone around me should just get ready for my entrance, and I'm entering like
How
this,
nice.
all ready from top to bottom.
Yeah.
I feel like a princess when I'm traveling.
How
honestly.
nice. So what role does travel content play in shaping people's perceptions of a destination? Like when I travel, so many people, and I'm not a travel influencer, but I love to put pictures of my food and where I am, where I'm sitting. I love to share it. So many questions, no? Where is this? Where are you? What food is this? Which restaurant? So many people are intrigued, and they're like, we're looking at that, we're living that country through your eyes. So how do you feel when people tell you that?
So I feel like it's a responsibility because
Yeah.
you are conveying people कि यार मुझे इतना मजा आ रहा है, आपको भी ये सेम मजा करना चाहिए. अभी आप अपने घर में एक स्क्रीन से मुझे देख रहे हो, बट अगर आप यहाँ होंगे ना, जो आप सिनेरियो में, because a lot of people are not doing well with their
Yes.
mental health also.
Yes.
I think those are the people who should start traveling. उनके लिए they are gonna just be fine because you don't need any therapist, you don't need any medicines. You just need to step out of the house, step out of your comfort zone and travel and relax and talk to yourself. So that is the thing, as travel influencer I feel like I should convey. पता नहीं अब वो हो रही है नहीं, but this is the
बिल्कुल हो
thing.
रही है, बिल्कुल हो रही है. और आपने, you've already told us that the first travel experience changed you so much. So
lot.
personally and professionally, any memorable travel experience which really affected you?
So I'll take you back to Bangkok. So I went Thailand. That was my work trip. I was doing a show,
Okay.
and there were 2 other models as well. So we 3 were like 3 दिन हमने काम किया बिल्कुल जम के. वी वर फोकस्ड ऑन आवर वर्क. उसके बाद हमें पता था अपने बैक ऑफ द माइंड कि अब हमें करना है ट्रैवल, एंड वी वर सो एक्साइटेड. वी वेंट टू पटिया and we booked the best hotel with the best location with everything just lined up for ourselves, and we had the best time in Bangkok. So
Okay.
I feel like it's just so empowering because we were 3
Yeah.
and we were sharing things, we were sharing our expenses and everything. We were doing it totally on our expenses. We are not dependent किसी पे भी.
Yeah.
We felt so powerful. We felt so good. रात को पूरी streets पे Bangkok की जा रहे हैं, massages हो रही है, थक रहे हैं तो shopping चल रही है.
It's so nice. Yeah, to
It's
do
a
that.
wonderful thing. I'm
Yeah.
telling you.
So
मतलब
you've traveled so much,
Yeah.
Kritika, but any destination which you still haven't reached to, and that's on your bucket list?
a lot. Recently I visited Kashmir. That was like, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है अब सब पूरा हो चुका है. I
हाँ?
mean, yeah,
तो
कश्मीर.
कश्मीर तो हो आए हो ना, कहाँ नहीं गए अभी तक?
कहाँ नहीं, बहुत सारी जगह नहीं गई यार. अभी
अच्छा,
तो
कहाँ
I want
जाना
to-
है? बस यहाँ तो जाना ही
I
जाना है.
feel like I want to travel next to New York.
Oh, I've
Yeah.
been. Oh my God,
been
what
to
a
New York?
yes,
Oh
what
my
a
God.
feeling. Oh my God, I started almost crying. Like I was at Times Square and I'm like, what am I here? It's
Really?
just you know, grow up watching these movies
I
and
know.
suddenly you're there.
Bollywood.
So yeah, and all movies, like English movies, all are shot there. So it's I hope you achieve that very, very soon.
Very
and tell
soon.
me about
I
that
am.
feeling.
I am
Send me a
gonna.
picture there. Okay, so Kritika, we've talked so much about so many things: influencing, modeling, traveling, and now one of our hottest topics: relationships, love. People would love to know if such a pretty girl is still single, and does she believe in true love?
I, of course, believe in true love because of the way I love. That is the only thing that is keeping me insane about love. So, yeah.
You do believe in true love. In
Of
today's
course.
day and age,
Of
where love
course.
and relationships have changed, especially because of digital age, social media pressure, everything, what do you feel is happening to relationships? What challenges?
यार रिलेशनशिप में कभी सोशल मीडिया तो आना ही नहीं चाहिए ना. रिलेशनशिप इज अ थिंग जो आप इन सब चीजों को साइड हटा के करते हो. दैट शुड बी वेरी प्योर. दैट शुड बी अ वेरी प्योर कनेक्शन. आपको टाइम देना है, आपको कम्युनिकेट करना है, देन ओनली यू कनेक्ट टू अ
Yeah,
पर्सन
yeah.
एंड देन ओनली यू स्टार्ट थिंग्स. उसमें सोशल मीडिया आई डोंट थिंक सो इट प्लेज
So communications, of course, very important.
Communication
which is
and
totally
time.
missing because we are all busy with our phones. I am very much in a relationship, and I am also in a relationship with my phone. It's called cheating on your husband with your phone. What is absolutely non-negotiable in a relationship? Like, this is a deal.
cheating.
Everyone
Of course.
says that.
Yeah,
Same
of course.
answer. What's the key to maintaining a healthy relationship?
I think communication, understanding your partner, that half of the people are like, they don't understand, they just want to be understood. But you have to give time. Just listen to the person. What is he or she trying to say? Not just, I can't. If you make that face now, I am sort of a person, अगर किसी का ऐसे गंदी शक्ल बन जाती है मेरे सामने, मुझे ऐसा लगता है I'm irritating that person. मैं आगे बात ही कंटिन्यू नहीं करती, फिर मैं एक स्टेप पीछे ले लेती हूँ. But you know, that comfort कि say I'm listening, that is the thing. Time and you know, that importance, that the time for that communication, that darling, you can just go on, I'm here, I'm listening.
Yeah.
And that is vice versa. Not only the guy has to do that. I feel like both the person are responsible. सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सिर्फ लड़के पे नहीं आनी चाहिए,
बिल्कुल.
लड़की को भी इक्वली रिस्पॉन्सिबल होना चाहिए.
Okay, Kritika, you know, we've all had puppy love and हमारे काफ़ी relationship के experiences होते हैं, positive भी होते हैं, negative भी होते हैं. जैसे मैंने भी काफ़ी सीखा है अपनी past relationship से. Not many were there, mind you. पर anything you want to share कि क्या सीखा, अब मुझे ये दोबारा नहीं करना है, ये mistake नहीं होनी चाहिए.
I feel like don't waste your time when you know कि सामने वाला, you know, go with the gut feeling. This is what I'll say. Go with the gut feeling, but sometimes you know what happens. You're like कि you know you're doing that mistake.
Yeah,
but
red flags.
sometimes-
But sometimes आप प्यार में इतने होते हैं, आप
नहीं,
red flags नहीं देखते.
I'll tell you my personal thing. प्यार इतनी जल्दी सबसे पहले तो मुझे होता ही नहीं है.
किसी
The
को भी
man
नहीं
has
होता.
to be really different.
Yeah.
My mom is like fed up. What different are you looking for? But I will find. So I was saying कि you know, sometimes you know you're making a mistake because your gut is like, no. Your gut feeling, I have a really good gut feeling. This is what I want to tell you. But sometimes ना क्या होता है कि आपका मन करता है let's do that mistake, ताकि वो आपका एक एक्सपीरियंस हो. बिकॉज अगर आप एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं करोगे तो फिर आप घर में चार दीवारी में अपने कॉर्नर में आप बैठे रहोगे.
बिल्कुल.
So sometimes you have to experience things and do that mistake to let yourself know
Yeah.
कि this is, you know, this is happening around the
Exactly.
world, and that is okay. If you know how to handle yourself,
Yeah.
till then it is okay.
Yeah, if you don't fall, how do you know how to get up?
Exactly.
Yeah, experiences
if you know
teach us.
you're gonna take yourself up, back up, then you can totally fall, you know, because you know you are the one who can handle yourself. I feel like, why not?
So, Kritika, what are your goals for creating a positive change as an influencer?
See, as an influencer, I just want to be really myself. As in, जैसी मैं अभी हूँ, जैसे मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, वो सब I just want to, you know, convey कि यार good people do exist. इतनी overacting की जरूरत नहीं होती
है.
just to be on social media. You can be a very normal person and you can, you know, talk normally also
Yeah.
and get famous. It's okay.
So, Kritika, any social cause you're passionate about, and do you agree that showing personal life is very important on social media?
I think I'll tell you, I really feel the need that I should be connected to some NGOs. I am, you know, हम कभी ट्रैवल भी कर रहे होते हैं या कुछ भी आसपास कोई होता है, सो आई लाइक स्टार्ट प्लेइंग विद देम, द किड्स आर अराउंड, आई एम लाइक और बताओ ऐसे ऐसे करके, यू नो, कहीं पे भी
So, for the underprivileged, you feel?
आई लाइक बीइंग इंटरैक्टिव उनसे ज्यादा जितना मैं इवेंट में किसी से बात करती हूँ. मैं इवेंट्स में आई एम लाइक दिस, या this. But उन लोगों से ना एक अपना एक natural self निकलता है, you know, एक आराम से एक बात होती है, because they are also willing to talk, you know. So I really like that. So I want to be connected with some NGOs in future. एंड आई फील लाइक कि सब कुछ दिखाना जरूरी नहीं है, बट अगर आप दिखाना भी चाह रहे हो दैट इज योर पर्सनल चॉइस.
तो जो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स बहुत ज्यादा अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ दिखाते हैं, यू आर ओके विद दैट?
यार आई एम ओके, बिकॉज इट्स देयर डिसीजन. वो अपनी लाइफ का डिसीजन अच्छे से ले सकते हैं, सो वो एम आई टू जज देम.
सो एनी बिगेस्ट चैलेंजेस यू फेस्ड बाय बीइंग ऑन सोशल मीडिया? ट्रोलिंग, how do you handle social media trolling?
It keeps on happening, yeah.
See, we all get compliments, we all get lovely comments, but then there are some people, the negative elements in the society.
Of course, about my face, about my this, that. I feel like कि नहीं, I should, you know, change
and
this
so much
about
body shaming, no? Sometimes आप पतले लग रहे हो, अब आप मोटे लग रहे हो, अब आपका फेस पतला लग रहा है, अब मोटा लग रहा है, आप ऐसे क्यों बैठे थे, आप वैसे क्यों बोल रहे हो, आपने ये क्या किया? Oh my God! Like people, because you're in the limelight, people get a license to judge you.
Actually.
So how do you handle that?
So I'll tell you one interesting story that being an influencer, I love being an influencer because I have accepted my body, and here the community, the influencer community is so welcoming regardless of your thoughts. ठीक है, चाहे आपके वो thoughts हो, चाहे आपकी body हो, the community, the whole community is very welcoming. And यहाँ पे कोई किसी को जज नहीं करता है. इसीलिए आई थिंक लाइक सब यही वाला एक रास्ता इन्फ्लुएंसिंग का चुनना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज यहाँ पे आपके पास एक लिबर्टी है, यू कैन जस्ट बी योर सेल्फ. वरना मॉडलिंग में, यू नो, you need to have that perfect figure, and honestly I'm out of shape as of now because एक महीने से I'm not going to the gym. Honestly out of shape as in I'll say I have a desired goal for my body that I want to achieve, and वो जब तक मैं achieve नहीं कर लूंगी,
the 10 out of 10 milestone,
I have that, I want to achieve that, but till then I'll not say कि I don't like my body, I hate, I'll never say that. हर रात को I kiss myself here like ऐसे, you're doing really well, you're doing
nice.
really
love
good.
yourself.
Yeah, this is what I actually do, and I love the fact that I have accepted my body shape, जिस भी वो shape में है, कि ठीक है, I know how to, you know, अब मुझे कैसे उस figure में वापस जाना है, I know this, मैं कर लूंगी, but अभी मेरा मन नहीं है because मैं काम में consumed हूँ, तो कोई नहीं. So that is the thing I really love, कि यार मैंने अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट करा, अपनी बॉडी को एक्सेप्ट करा है. फिर लोगों का क्या है, लोगों का तो यार काम इज लाइक कमेंटिंग. I don't care, honestly.
So what they show on social media, is that real? And what is that one advice you would like to give our generation who actually watches social media and sometimes gets misguided, no? कि ये उनको लगता है यही reality, but actually भी नहीं है.
यार देखो, you have to select people जिसको आप follow कर रहे हो बहुत ही mindfully, क्योंकि some people are like वो आपको कहीं और ही लेके जा रहे हैं, that you know this is how I look, tiny waist, ऐसा नहीं होता. So you have to really select people बहुत ही mindfully कि यार ये बंदी she's like posting very nice things, कि एक्चुअली में जो होता है, कोल्ड हो रहा है तब भी दिखा रही है, मतलब यार she's being vulnerable and also वो सब दिखा रही है. So I think that is very important कि आप जिसको follow कर रहे हो वो बहुत important है कि वो इंसान सही हो.
Have you seen that movie खो गए हम कहाँ? Have you seen that? Oh my God, it touched my heart, it touched my soul, and you know it's so true to such an extent कि लोग actually ready हो रहे हैं at their home और पीछे दिखा रहे हैं club environment में है, they're partying, they're somewhere just to get followers, and then they're so sad and they're changing into the night suit after the picture and sleeping at home and watching Netflix.
That is what I'm saying. Being happy at your home, उस चार दीवारी में, that is very important. और कुछ important नहीं है, happiness is very important. आप उसके बाद जब आप social media पे अपनी खुद की खुशी करोगे ना, आप वहाँ पे share, आपको अलग ही खुशी मिलेगी. Honestly, that is the true self, क्योंकि आप सच्चाई दिखा रहे हो, तो लोग connect करेंगे.
So Kritika, you know, people have this image about us, people who are glamorous and who are in the limelight, influencing, modeling, then our life is a party. So clubbing can often be portrayed as glamorous and fun on the social media. But what are some of the darker sides of the clubbing scene that people are not aware of?
There's nothing dark. I don't think so. Things are darker. वहाँ पे सिर्फ atmosphere dark होता है और कुछ dark नहीं है. When you have good friends, when you have your own people around, you're surrounded with your friends, everything is good.
So you've not experienced any dangerous or unsettling situations while clubbing?
No, I haven't.
Which is very, very good, very lucky. So Kritika, what are some of the mental health challenges or emotional tolls that come with constantly being in the nightlife scene, being under social media pressure and constantly being looked at?
So I feel like sometimes, you know, it makes you very weak, as in, you know, you're like, you lack creativity. People are posting so nice content
Yeah.
and you're like nowhere. But I feel like ठीक है, take a break, give yourself some time. This is what I personally
Yeah.
do. I am like
Don't be in the mad
relaxed.
rut. Yeah.
I'm like relaxed. I make myself feel the most comfortable in those days. You are gonna do it. Don't worry about it. And I talk to myself very nicely. I say good things to myself. I'm not posting anything. So I surround myself, you know. अभी मैं सिर्फ वो कर रही होती हूँ काम जो कि मुझे comfort देता है. अभी मैं out of comfort नहीं जाती हूँ उस टाइम पे. अभी मैं सिर्फ I'm reshaping, rebuilding myself up. I'm going to the gym. I'm eating healthy. So I do all the good things. I do talk to myself every night, every day कि you're gonna be back, you're gonna be back. And then फिर वो जो comeback आता है कृतिका का, that is very different. So I think this time is for yourself and you should take breaks. Taking breaks is a very good thing.
Yeah. To
And
connect with yourself, to
be
recharge your
back.
creativity.
Actually, and you shouldn't feel कि यार ये सिर्फ मेरे साथ हो रहा है, ये हर किसी के साथ हो रहा है. बस लोग आके बताते नहीं है because you know yeah it's a vulnerable feeling and वो सिर्फ आप तभी उन्हीं से शेयर करते हो जिनके साथ आप बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल होते हो, वो कि जो कि मतलब सिर्फ 2-3 लोग होते हैं आपकी लाइफ में, and that is my mother
Which
knows
is so
everything.
good to have family support. It always keeps you grounded.
Actually,
And
my
I think
mother.
people who are living with with families are having lesser mental health issues because they have someone to share it with.
I don't think so.
And
ऐसा है,
express it
मतलब हाँ but ठीक है, किसी किसी की देखो नहीं भी बनती अपनी
हाँ.
फैमिली से, that is also a thing. But everybody is trying their best.
Yeah.
So I feel like the mantra is talk to yourself. I mean, just give yourself time and that comfort जो कि आप किसी और से expect करते हो, because कोई नहीं आएगा,
Absolutely.
सिर्फ आप हो अपने लिए और कोई नहीं available होगा. So just अपने आप को वो comfort दो and you'll be back on the track.
So what advice would you like to give the upcoming influencers जिनको social media पे अपनी presence दिखानी है or they want to enter the clubbing scene with the bang? What advice?
Confidence, my friends. Confidence is the key. Be yourself. Don't try to copy someone else. If you are copying ना, मजा नहीं आएगा. मैं जो हूँ मैं हूँ, मैं अपने लिए पहचानी जाती हूँ. अगर आप कॉपी कर रहे होगे ना तो यार वो एक ऑलरेडी इंसान है, अगर आप उसे कॉपी करोगे तो आप उसकी कॉपी ही बन जाओगे ना. सो जस्ट बी वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद योर सेल्फ. पीपल आर गोना अट्रैक्ट, ओके, बिकॉज यू आर बीइंग योर सेल्फ. व्हेन यू आर बीइंग योर सेल्फ यू आर इन अ सेफर प्लेस. तब जो people comes in your life ना, those are your people.
Yeah.
So that is the thing.
So do you think influencers की एक responsibility, एक social responsibility है to educate their viewers about awareness about drugs and alcohol, or is it just like glamour, party and यही दिखाना चाहिए?
नहीं, of course not. मतलब I feel like सिर्फ एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ही नहीं, सब अलग अलग होते हैं. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया, यू हैव टू चूज वेरी माइंडफुली आप जिसको फॉलो कर रहे हो. सबकी अपनी अपनी चॉइस होती है एंड वो कुछ ना कुछ चॉइस जो होती है वो सीख ही देके जाती है. So I feel like ठीक है, go with the flow.
So Kritika, now we are coming to our last segment, last but not the least. It is our fun segment and it's called Rapid Fire. We're very inspired by Coffee with Karan.
Oh, wow.
So you're having coffee with us today on Edge Talks. So let's start our Rapid
But
Fire.
where's my hamper?
Hamper you will get at the end.
Perfect. I'm waiting for that.
Yes. So Rapid Fire, but the trick is you don't have to think too much and whatever comes to your mind, that's your answer.
That is the rapid
Yes.
fire. Yeah.
So what's the weirdest thing you've done?
Weirdest thing I've done.
Strangest, or you felt like, oh my god, ये क्या किया मैंने? Or fun thing?
करी नहीं है कुछ. I don't feel I've done
Oh.
weirdest things. I'm like a nice girl. I don't know weird things. Yeah.
Wow, great. One thing you can't live without. I have definitely done a very weird thing which I can't share on camera.
Okay, we'll talk about it
That
later.
doesn't make me a bad girl. Okay, one thing you can't live without.
My parents, my family.
Who do you look up to the most?
See, I look towards the most is powerful women who are here to change the game.
Independent, powerful, self-sufficient women.
Yes.
Fantastic. Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Beach vacation or mountain getaway?
Beach.
Dogs or cats?
Dogs.
Early bird or night owl like me?
Early bird.
Oh. Sweet or savory?
Namkeen. Savory.
Savory, no? Fiction or non-fiction?
Non-fiction.
City life or countryside?
Countryside.
Comedy or drama?
Drama.
Summer or winter?
I like summer.
Really?
I
Sometimes
like-
it gets too much.
Sometimes it gets too much, but I don't like wearing itne sare kapde. I like wearing shortest clothes. I'm at my home wearing the shortest clothes, comfortable. And my mom is like, "Oh, you look so hot."
Oh,
People
wow.
are so comfortable with me not wearing clothes at my home, so they're like, "Yeah, chill, relax." And my mom is worried. कि यार उधर जब तू शादी करके जाएगी, what's gonna happen? So she's like, नहीं यार, तेरी mom-in-law is gonna accept yourself.
Yeah.
So
She
be
better
chill.
know, nahi to deal breaker.
Yeah, she's like, don't worry, she'll accept you,
Yeah.
you in the way you are.
Books or movies?
Movies.
All right, Kritika, with that answer, we have come to the end of our podcast. It was absolutely fun having you here. Very genuine answers and very informative as well. I hope the viewers enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed shooting it. This is your host, Amanpreet Wahi, signing off. It was absolutely lovely to have Kritika. Kritika, any last piece of advice you would love to give our viewers जो influencer बनना चाहते
See, वही मैंने आपको जो बताया, confidence is the key. So just go on with this journey and you are gonna make it. I'm telling you. Don't listen to anyone. Listen to yourself.
Great. That was Kritika, and this is your host, Amanpreet Wahi, signing off. Till we meet next time.